So this thing's been up and running for a good few weeks now, and overall I'm really happy with it. But I'm already starting to get that itch where I wanna do more to it. I think eventually I want to do a full custom water loop, maybe hard tubing. We'll see, but that's all we're doing today. I'm just going to be doing a few minor changes, cleaning up some cabling, maybe adjust a fan, and I found this LED strip. Well, I didn't find it. It was in my old computer, or my wife's new, gently used computer, and I stole it from there so I could put it in my computer because she's not even going to notice it missing. She doesn't even see the computer. It's in a closet, so let's do some stuff. Where the fuck did I throw that LED strip? The things I do for comedy. Oh my god. Ah, my things! Found it. Actually, I mean, the main reason I'm doing the wiring back here, although nobody sees it, except for the people that watch the video of me building it, and the people watching this video, and the people of the future. Anyways, I'm really only doing this because I'm in here now, and because I want to add this LED strip in here, and I mean, it's not, could be cleaner, and I want to not rewire, but I want to reroute the cables, the power cables going to the GPU. I mean, there's plenty of case for this case space, plenty of space case. I just had a stroke there. I don't know why it's so hard to say. But there's plenty of room in here. So, I mean, I'm sure it could be done a lot better than this, but I don't know how much better I'm going to be able to make this look, given the effort that I want to put into it, if I'm being honest. So, I don't know the order in which I want to do things here yet. Alright, so how do I want to do this? Kind of want to like shine like through the bottom so you can see it from the inside, but I want it to be kind of like, I want the light to be somewhat like diffused. Where does this go? I'm really just kind of test fitting it first, kind of see if this is gonna do what I want it to. I'm probably gonna have to take these fans out. It's the only way this is gonna work. Simple things become projects. My nifty little knockoff iFixit kit here. Might only have to undo this one fan. It's so shallow. Alright, I'm also wondering if it would overall look better if I put these back where the Be Quiet fans are, the black fans, so these kind of match this. Now would be the time to do that, because I'm going to be pulling the wires apart anyway. I just don't know if I really want to do all that. I kind of like the black background, I think. Everything's all plugged in, so now I'm just going to leave it how it is. Mostly because of pure laziness. Where was I putting this before? I want to go... Oh, I see what was in the way now. Just to go up behind all of it. It's going to be a bigger pain than I thought. Shimmy it all down there. That would go in there. Okay, good. And then that would just kind of stick in there, but the question is, where did the LED strip go? Okay, no, it's there. What are you stuck on?
Where were the other drugs going?
There's almost like a perfect little channel in here. I mean, it's too perfect. Let me see if I can catch that on video. I don't think so. It's a little dark. Let's see. So it's like a perfect focus. 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 There we go. There's a perfect little channel in there. Almost like it's meant to be there. Well, that works out. Cool. Thing I didn't realize after I put the camera back, it just didn't record again for some reason. I haven't done much. I got the LED in there, and then once I got the LED in there, the LED strip, I realized that I don't have any of these. Fuck, this is Molex. I don't have any SATA power cables plugged into this power supply, so I'm gonna have to add a whole power cable just for this one LED strip. So let me swap this out with not a Molex, with the SATA, and I'll be right back again. And we're back. All right, so I know the wiring isn't the cable management isn't super pretty back here, but truth be told, I don't know how much I care about that. I would have liked to probably fish these behind the power supply and then just have them in a neat pile here, but there's the bracket that holds the power supply, which is not going to allow me to do that. There's a slight space in it, but the connector would never fit through there. So I think I'm just going to say screw it with the cable management. No one knows it looks this bad except for me, and now I guess everybody watching this video. From the front side, it's pretty, so that's what matters. I don't want to turn this into a bigger project than it needs to be. I did have a little, kind of want to at least like put that up there. If it fits, it should fit. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do it. Trim some of that off, use it elsewhere, like maybe there, maybe not. Now what do I want to do with this? I don't know if I really want to take it all apart. Might have to. We'll see. I might have to. But it's so conveniently exactly the same length. Oh fuck, wait, hold on. Oh, that's the wrong end. Wait, so what would that have gone to? Oh, I guess if you want to pass power to a drive or something, I see. I see. So we're going to cram that in there. And then I'm going to take this, stuff them kind of behind there. Ta-da! All right, project's done. Yeah, like I said, I know it's kind of ugly back here. Luckily, there's plenty of space for all of this ugliness to be here. I was gonna clean this up, but I don't care. It looks fine from the front. I could do a better job. I could be more meticulous. Maybe bring these this way and kind of have them all fancy, but I don't care. I'm gonna move on. The order in which I'm choosing to do these is the worst possible order, because now you see I gotta unplug this. And all right. Here they are. Oh no! Come back! There's one of them. I see it. Get back here. And it goes in the square hole. Oh my god, I'm struggling here. I got small hands too. Still struggling. There we go. Couple ways I could do this. I could feed it just literally straight through there, and that would be super easy and convenient. But if I go this way, then I'm using up more of the cable, and that's less to have to manage in the back. But then trying to get through all the cables that I've bunched in there is going to be kind of a pain in the butt.
Language.
I think I'm going to route it through here. Or will I? Yeah, actually, because if I go around, I don't even think it's going to make it back to the power supply. So we'll just go like that for now. I don't want to crush the fan. I think that'll work. Sweet. All right. These fans, by the way, the ones that came with the case, they're actually incredibly quiet. Even at full speed, they're incredibly quiet, and they have in each of these mounting points or screw holes or whatever you want to call it, they're dampened. Oh, come on. Ta-da! Yeah, that looks better. I think even from the front that looks better. Now from my angle, Yeah, that's better. I like that a lot better. Might throw some Velcro on that. No, maybe not. I think that looks fine. Sweet. Now let's take care of the back end here. Now maybe I can just kind of stuff those underneath like that. I mean, really, I think I'm going to leave that like that. I don't think I'm going to Velcro them all together because they're not really in the way of anything. Again, I know it's not the cleanest looking thing, but, you know, who's really looking back here other than me? So I'm going to scoot this up slightly. I think that'll be it. Then I won't mess around with the LED and see if the placement's good, see if the lighting is good. I just kind of want to shine through the bottom a little bit. Yeah. There we go. That's it. So let's plug it up, and I want to make sure everything still works. Make sure I didn't zerp anything. And that'll really be the end of this. Like I said, it was nothing real crazy here. Just some minor adjustments I wanted to make until I decide to do water cooling, which that'll be way later down the line. Thumb screws just have a way of disappearing. Probably doesn't help that I put a black thumb screw on a black mouse pad either. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to cut away now just so I can... I'm going to cut away now so I can get everything plugged back up, because there's nothing real exciting about that, and we'll see if I've had some great success here. Alright guys, so here it is. Pretty subtle change, but that's exactly the effect I was going for. Also, I'll point out that now, from kind of sitting at the angle that I sit at, that GPU power cable is pretty well hidden, pretty concealed. You can't really see it from any angle at all. So overall, pretty happy with that. Well, that's a wrap on this one, guys. Thanks for coming to hang out with me while I cleaned up a few things. Sound off in the comments below if you think I should swap those fans around that I was talking about earlier in the video. The more I look at it, the more I feel like it'd be more of a consistent look. I might actually want to do that. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, if you're not subscribed, please get subscribed, like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.